Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mir and I am the founder of mirwaleed.com. Now that you know that what is Amazon FBA and FBM from my last video uploaded on my YouTube channel, now let's move on to more information about Amazon and why would you do business on Amazon in 2022. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a little bit more about Amazon and the facts about the Amazon business and why you should invest on Amazon in 2022. So let's discuss some key figures about Amazon. There are around 20 million Amazon Prime users worldwide, and that's a big number. And out of 20 million, 65% of these Prime members are from the United States. So what does that mean? 65% population of United States have the Prime membership. More than 214 million unique visitors every month from the US visit Amazon websites, means amazon.com, .co.uk and many other around the world. And can you imagine how many users there are from worldwide on amazon.com? 5.7 billion. So these were some of the figures from Amazon and from different websites that I've collected the data, and that's the increase we have seen is because of the COVID-19 and in these 2 years and most of the people, they want to invest on Amazon because they can work remotely, and they have to think about situations like when there is COVID and there are no jobs, and they are struggling to get jobs, and they want to do a side hustle. So that's the mindset of many people who are from the US, and that's what they want to do. So in 2022 we are seeing more and more business coming towards Amazon, and there are a number of Amazon aggregators who have decided to invest more on Amazon, and Amazon is expanding. So there are a number of other services which Amazon is giving, like they are also giving the Amazon Web Services, and they are selling their own products as well. So Amazon itself is $1 trillion market. Third-party sellers, they sell thousands of their inventories through their Amazon Seller Central, and there are billions of sales coming through that. And through Amazon, people make money, and they love to quit their jobs and invest on Amazon to become independent. So one of the main reason why people jump onto Amazon and why they invest is because the first thing I discussed earlier is they can work from home. The second thing is everything is so fast, like all you have to do is work from home, and Amazon handles everything for you. So that's one of the differentiation point of Amazon, while if compared to other platforms like eBay, and there are a number of others, because Amazon is really fast. Whenever you start doing your business, you will realize that things go pretty fast. Number of items sold on Amazon per minute are more than 5,000. Can you imagine that? Majority of them come from small and medium sized businesses. Most of them are located in the United States, or you can say most of them are doing business on amazon.com. There are more than 1.9 million active sellers on Amazon, and that's something from 2020, and I hope these numbers have massively increased, and they will increase by the end of 2022. The reason why Amazon buyers trust Amazon is because they say that the price they get from Amazon is what they look for, and most of the time it's easy for them to make decisions. I think 82% of Amazon buyers or US buyers, I think, come to the amazon.com website, and they make a decision from there, and they purchase from amazon.com. These are the some reasons why people invest on Amazon, because of this huge market and this huge opportunity that is in front of all of them, and it's kind of easy to find opportunity from inside from Amazon. So because of all these facts, people trust Amazon, and especially because it's a buyers oriented market. So more buyers come to Amazon than any other marketplace, and that's why it's the number one. So why not invest on number one marketplace in the world, and get your profits out of this market, because this is $1 trillion business. Before doing that, I must say that you have to do your own research, you have to learn the skills, and you have to decide whether you have the right knowledge to jump onto Amazon. And that's what exactly I'm going to teach you on my YouTube channel about Amazon, and it will be easier for you to decide if you really want to invest on Amazon. So watch my next videos, and I hope this short video is informative for you. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.